Are you a tenant getting ready to move out or a landlord preparing for new occupants? End of tenancy cleaning is one of the most important steps in the rental process. It ensures the property is spotless, prevents disputes, and helps tenants get their deposit back. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the FastKlean channel and hit the bell so you never miss our expert cleaning tips. For tenants, a thorough clean can make the difference between a full or partial deposit return. Most tenancy agreements require the property to be returned in the same clean condition as when you moved in. That means tackling every corner, from ovens and fridges to skirting boards and carpets. For landlords, a professionally cleaned property creates a great first impression, helps maintain the property's value, and prevents complaints from new tenants. Even if tenants clean well, a final inspection is essential. Hiring professional cleaners can save both parties time and stress. For tenants, it's especially useful if your contract requires professional cleaning or if you're short on time before moving out. For landlords, professional services guarantee consistent standards and help the property look its best for viewings. To avoid disputes, tenants should take photos after cleaning as proof, and landlords should carry out a fair inspection based on the original inventory. End of tenancy cleaning isn't just a checklist. It's about respect, responsibility, and setting the right standard for the next tenant. Whether you do it yourself or hire professionals, a clean space benefits everyone. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the FastKlean channel for more professional cleaning advice.